Hello everybody, welcome to Your Pick was released today. The teaser for the highly anticipated Bob Marley movie One Love give fans the first glimpse of the featured film which shows the life of the reggae icon from the inner city of Kingston to world stardom. According to Paramount Pictures, the Bob Marley One Love movie celebrates the life and music of the icon who inspired generations through his message of love and unity. Bob Marley One Love stars Kingsley Benadir as Bob, Lashana Lynch as his wife Rita, and sees Naomi Cowan as young Rita. Produced by Paramount Pictures in partnership with the Marley family, the movie is scheduled for theaters January 2024. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedrin. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
People coming together.